am the dirtiest thing in your house. I have more bacteria than your toilet seat, and you just used me to clean your dinner plate.
These AI talking objects are blowing up on YouTube and other social media platforms right now, making thousands in passive income for their creators.
I am a toilet roll, and dragging dry paper across faces does not clean you. It is smearing germs around and applauding yourself for minimal effort.
Look at this page that posts this kind of content, pulling in millions and millions of views, and this can be you too. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to generate this AI talking object from scratch, and also telling you how to even create your YouTube channel, all of this using AI. So let's get straight into it. Hi guys, and welcome back to Everyday AI with Jayne. My name is Jayne and welcome to today's video. Now we are going to generate everything using this model: text to image, image to video. I have generated this master prompt for you, which is called the Jayne Talking Objects Channel Creation Prompt. In this document, I list out 5 different niches that you can do with talking objects. Tell those objects what to say, give you the prompt to generate the images, and also give you the prompt to generate the video. If you want this prompt document, just type talking objects in the comments and I'm going to send you a link to this document. But I have just one caveat: make sure you are subscribed to the channel. I am going to check. So I'm going to click over here and copy it. Note that it's just this segment where we say talking object master prompts that we are copying. We're going to go to our Google, whether you want to use Google Gemini or you want to use ChatGPT. For this use case, I'm using Gemini. And we'll go over here and we're going to paste our prompt and we're going to press submit. Now, this is going to run and it's going to provide for us in a tabular form different household items, what the character is going to say. Can you say that? The image, the text to image prompt to generate this character, and also the image to video prompt. So now let me show you practically how you can create each of these videos, right? So for this example, let's use this anatomical explanation of the human heart, right? So I'm going to go over here and copy this prompt. This is the text to image prompt of it, and we're going to go to the Videoinu platform that we're going to use to do all our generations today. Videoinu platform is an all-in-one AI platform that gives you the best premium results for all your generations, because we want to do the best here. The link to Videoinu is in the description box, and if you click it, it opens up like this. You go over here to log in, and then you log in, and once you sign up on the Videoinu platform, they give you free credits that you can use to try out this amazing platform. Now for our use case today, we are going to start off with AI image. We've collected the text to image prompt for that our character. If you look through here, you can see all the images that I used in our opener video right here. So to create the images, we are going to be using Nano Banana Pro on the Videoinu platform. So you're going to go over here and you're going to scroll down and select Nano Banana Pro. We're going to go over here and we're going to paste our prompt, right? And then we're going to come over here. Because you're working with a phone aspect ratio, we're going to change it to 9:16 if you're working with a phone aspect ratio. But for this example, let me make it 16:9 so that it's bold enough for you to see on YouTube interface. Okay, and then we're going to click generate. This will take some time to generate, and then look at our image. Our image is beautiful, fully rendered. All right, so we like this image as it is. We're going to click the button over here and save it to our device. We are good to go to the second part, which is turning this image that we have generated into a video that talks, right? Giveaway time! Videoinu is giving out 3 free pro accounts. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Number 2, create a Videoinu account. And thirdly, you must tell me what you love best about Videoinu in the comments, and I'll be replying you with your pro access. Now to the second part of the video, which is the image to video section. We're going to go over here that it says image to video and click it, right? We're going to go over here. You can see image to video is selected, so we're going to go over here and we're going to select Google VEO3. Since our image that we generated is in landscape, we're going to go over here and we are going to select this heart in the JPG version. It comes out like this, and then we press confirm. Now we have a prompt box right here, and so we're going to go over here, copy this, right? This animation prompt. I'm going to go back to Videoinu here in the prompt box here. We're going to paste it, right? Now we need our heart to say something. So you're going to write this manually. It says, right? Then you're going to go back to the prompt document and you can see this voiceover line. You're going to copy it and we are going to paste it here. Now at this point, if there are other things you would like the image to say, you can just write it. So for this use case, I want it to say, I am your heart. So I'm going to write that out. So the length of this video is going to be 8 seconds and we are going to hit generate. Once you hit generate, it comes over to this place and you can see the bar as it's generating. So now the first one that we did is ready. So let's just click this button right here and let's play it and see what it sounds like.
I am your heart. I beat 100,000 times a day for you. Could you maybe skip that energy drink? I'm exhausted.
Do you see that? Even his eyes disappeared. So that one is okay. I'm exhausted. So this one is good. It's good. It's good to go. So now to the channel creation prompt. For the channel creation prompt, we're also going to be using Gemini. And you can see that the channel creation prompt is also here on this prompt document. Okay. So what you're going to do is simple. You're going to come over here and copy this channel creation prompt. And then you go to Gemini and come over here and then you paste it. Okay, so if you do not want to do, for this one I focused on a health focused AI talking niche. Let's say you want to work with any of the niches that were in the master plan, maybe a food storage hacks niche or an anatomical explainer niche. You just replace that in the script and then you just press submit. You see what it has done? It has given you a suggestion for username, pure pulse AI. It has given Jayne for the display name, the category in which you're going to fill, the profile image prompt, so if you want to generate the profile image, and the banner image prompt. So you can make tons of talking object content using AI in less than 5 minutes and get millions of views and skyrocket your earnings as a creator.
I am the TV remote. You wash your hands, but when was the last time you washed me?
So guys, as I said before, if you would like to get access to Videoinu, please use the link in my description box to register. They do give free points for you to test out the platform. If you'd like to get a pro account, just drop a comment after you must have subscribed and registered on the Videoinu platform of what you love most about Videoinu, and you might be one of the lucky ones selected to get a pro free account. Now next, I'm going to be telling you how to do this entire process using free AI tools. And if you'd like to see that, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, you want my prompt documents, comment talking objects in the comment section. I'll send it to you. Before you go, watch these 2 other videos and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.